One of the most inspiring and patriotic landmarks of Bangalore, the National Military Memorial, also known as Rashtriya Sanika Smarka, located on Millers Road in Vasant Nagar, opposite the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium. This memorial stands as a tribute to the courage, sacrifice, and dedication of India's armed forces. It was established in 2013 by the government of Karnataka to honor soldiers who laid down their lives for the nation. Spread across about 7.5 acres of beautifully landscaped grounds, the memorial offers visitors a place for reflection, learning, and gratitude. The idea behind the memorial was to create a permanent reminder of the sacrifices made by members of the Army, Navy, and Air Force. As we entered the memorial, we immediately noticed the peaceful atmosphere. Tall trees, well-maintained pathways, and open green spaces create a serene environment. Unlike the typical park, every corner here tells a story of bravery and service. One of the most significant features is the Wall of Heroes, where thousands of names of martyrs are engraved. These brave men and women gave their lives while protecting the nation. Walking past these names reminds us that freedom comes at a great cost. The memorial follows a ceremonial pathway that symbolizes a journey of remembrance. As visitors walk along this path, they are encouraged to reflect upon the sacrifices made by the armed forces throughout India's history. A major attraction here is the impressive Veergallu, or Hero Stone. Inspired by Karnataka's ancient warrior memorial traditions, this massive stone monument symbolizes courage, sacrifice, and eternal remembrance. It connects modern military service with the rich heritage of the region. Nearby stands a towering national flagpole carrying a giant Indian tricolor. Watching the flag flutter proudly against the Bangalore sky is an emotional experience that fills visitors with patriotism and respect for the nation. As we continue our tour, we find displays of military equipment and defense hardware. Visitors can see aircraft, armored vehicles, missile systems, and other military exhibits. These displays provide a glimpse into the capabilities and technological achievements of India's defense forces. A particularly interesting exhibit is the military aircraft displayed within the memorial grounds. Aviation enthusiasts, students, and children are often fascinated by these aircraft and their role in protecting the country. The memorial also includes an underground hall designed like a military bunker. The architecture is unique because much of the structure is built below ground level, preserving the surrounding trees and natural landscape. Natural light enters through specially designed courtyards and skylights, creating a reflective atmosphere. Inside the hall, visitors can learn about military operations, gallantry awards, important battles, and the contributions of India's armed forces. Various displays, charts, models, and exhibits help explain the nation's military history. One of the objectives of the memorial is to inspire younger generations. School groups frequently visit to learn about patriotism, discipline, leadership, and national service. The memorial serves as an educational resource as well as a place of remembrance. Photography enthusiasts will also enjoy visiting this location. The combination of military displays, architecture, landscape gardens, and the majestic national flag offers many opportunities for memorable photographs. The memorial is especially meaningful on national occasions such as Independence Day, Republic Day, Kargil Vijay Divas, and Armed Forces Flag Day. During these times, visitors gather to pay tribute to the nation's heroes and remember their sacrifices. The surrounding area also offers additional attractions. Visitors can easily combine their trip with nearby destinations such as the Jawaharlal Nehru Planetarium and the Indira Gandhi Musical Fountain Park, making it an excellent family outing. Basic visitor facilities are available in the surrounding complex, including seating areas, pathways, gardens, and nearby public amenities, making the memorial accessible to visitors of different age groups. What makes the National Military Memorial truly special is that it is not merely a collection of monuments or military equipment. It is a living reminder of the values of duty, courage, honor, and sacrifice. Every engraved name, every exhibit, and every pathway tells a story of service to the nation.